Hey guys, it's Jamie over here at Majestic Farms, and guess what? We've got some more baby chickens that are going to be hatching. So right now we're on day 11. We're going to go ahead and get them checked to see if we've got some movement going on in there. Normally I like to check them on day 8, but we're going to go ahead and check them this week on day 11. If you take a look at this graph I've got, the middle one right here, day 11, this is about what they should look like. So let's go ahead and go take a look at them. You guys want to come with? Come on, let's go. All right, guys, let's check the first one. Ooh, it might not be dark enough in here. It's really hard to see. It's really hard to see in here today. We're gonna try it in here, guys. Definitely have a dark spot. Can you see that? All right, guys, let's check this one. See if we got anything. Ooh. Maybe my light bulb's going out. There you go. Now let's see what we got. All right, this one's got some movement, as you can see. You can see the veins in there. You can see the black spots in there. Let's look at this side for a second. You see the chicken right there. All right, this little one's doing something. All right, guys, let's check this one. That one's got some black movement in it. Look at that. Yeah. Pretty cool. All right, let's check this one, guys. Ooh, that one's a really good. Yep, that one's moving really nicely. See it in there? All right, that's a real good one too. You can see the veins, you can see the chicken. I think those are the chicken eyes. Yeah. All right, we did a few of them. All right, I'm giving you one more. Let's check another one. It's so fun. Okay, let's see what we got here. Sorry, you gotta be really gentle. So there you go. There's the chicken in that one. It's pretty cool. You can see it moving. Ooh, 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 it's moving. All right, that was a few of them. right, guys. We've got another week or so left. Hopefully we'll get some baby chickens. Yay. Thank you for watching.
Where's that bug spray you're riding?
Right behind you.
And the paint stuff?
Behind where you're sitting.
Oh, behind me. I'm sorry, darling.
I don't remember how I made this glue.
Which one? Oh, we did it with Victoria's book.
I thought that was this one over here.
Probably did it out of both.
Change the color of that leaf,
Yeah.
and you'll repaint it, or you'll
Oh, shit.
put the lines on it again.
How about you do the lines first?
Maybe I'll do the lines
They
first.
came out really good. And
Right.
then you,
What color do you want?
I can't do the lines again. It
Can I-
came out good one.
Can I do a pink? Or
I think it should be a pink.
I do too. All right.
No pink there. But you gotta do the black lines first because I won't be able to draw that as good as
10-4.
again.
I can definitely do that.
I'm getting this spin moved down now.
You okay? Do I gotta come and look at it?
Yeah, you see when they get it. How's that? Looks like a dinosaur egg.
Looks like a dinosaur egg.
Whoa! The wind is blowing on in, darling. I hope the weather's gonna hold out.
I do too. I just felt another raindrop, but I think it's just gonna go right past us.
Yeah.
I tell you, every
We got
time
the
I
tarp
paint,
on standby if we need it.
every time I paint, it rains. Every time. Yeah.
What are you gonna work on next, darling?
I think I'm gonna paint this blue devil guy.
I wouldn't say devil. It's just
Blue
happens to
horn
have
guy.
horns. Yeah, a lot of animals that do a horn. I'd call it more of a thing.
A thing.
It doesn't even have arms or legs.
Got horns though.
Let's look at you, Dad, darling. Keep up the good work. Just enough to cool us off? Yeah, I like that's coming up. Thin, yeah. Thick on that big stuff, thin on the little stuff. Tell you how pretty you're looking today. Smile a little bit there. What do you want to do later? Almost the weekend, huh? Oh yeah, that sounds. They're cute. They're cute. I got your next project done, darling. It's a little long-winded.
So we'll go in and work on the other one?
Yeah, it's about that time. You're in the dark.
Yeah.
Once you want to strip off those clothes and jump in the pool.
Not too much.
Oh yeah, you right. Don't tell her. She'll never notice. We were out of green peppers. Straight jalapeno. Alright, here we go. We're all warmed up now, darling.
It looks fantastic.
Yeah.
I'm always scared I'm gonna get my fingers.
Yeah.
So I have to eat the last piece of cheese.
You know, I used to do that too. And then I was watching a recipe on something. And the gal I was watching crumbled every last piece into it. And she made it look so easy. She just like used her thumb and pushed it through the last little spot. I don't know, I was impressed. And you know what the funny thing is when I do it, I think of the same moment often. Do you know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, I do that with a lot of things too. It's crazy.
Yeah. It's really not that bad on the thumb.
No.
Not that I'm like grating my thumb, but I don't know. It's not quite as sharp as you'd think. Wow, that's gotta be enough. Boy, I wish I had other tools. I got a spoon. Wish I had a small spoon. Okay, we're gonna call that a thing. Call me the broil master. How many would you like, darling? 2. 3? 3. I think you want 3. Okay, Smokey. I'm dripping off the plate, but I like it. Oh, and the puppy food too. Oh.
So you can see I'm using 2x10s as my floor joist for this quack house.
Cookie!
It's going to be a pretty solid structure just for a duck hut. I mean,
That's my toy!
but go big or go home. That's what.
Give me my kissy! Cookies! Cookies! Cookie! I threw your toy. Okay. Cookie, no, help me! Don't leave me, Cookie! Don't leave me! I got your toy, Cookie! I got your toy! Don't leave me, Cookie! Help me! Help me! Crazy eyes! Who's on top of me? Smile for me, boo-boo.